Okay, this is Marcus shoveling snow from the driveway, and this is about more than 2 feet of snow. It's probably close to 3 feet of snow in Mercer Road, and this is on February 6, 2010. They call it the blizzard of Washington DC. Oh, quite amazing. Our neighbor is actually using his automatic snowblower to plow the sidewalks, which is very nice of him. And this is my car on the lawn that is completely covered with snow. That is quite amazing. That's a car porch there. Wow, that is amazing. This is record-breaking snow.